Hello friends, my name is Shivam from DevOps Schools and I will help you to enable your learning process in various technologies of DevOps, artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data and many more. This is our initiative to help you by sharing multiple tutorials and videos. And if you want any specific tutorials or any particular topic, then please do comment in the below comment section and I will help you with it. Also, please subscribe to our premium services on YouTube, which will give you access to more content and videos to enhance your knowledge about all these topics. Also, if you want me to help you with regards to the online trainings and classroom sessions by our qualified trainers, then please do write me at contact@devopsschool.com. Thank you.
So what we are going to do discuss today, we are going to use an Adhoc commands, add hoc commands, mainly HOC commands. Okay. So what is that means? So I think a quick recap on day before yesterday what we had did. We had created one server called master, and then we had created one server, two servers, actually three servers, right? Slave one
Totally
and
three
slave two.
servers we created. Yeah.
Yeah. AWS. AWS. So one. So and
No, I'm,
then
I'm not able to see your screen actually.
what?
I'm not able to see your screen.
How come? You can see this, right? No. So this is a quick recap. We had created three servers. One is master, two servers are slave servers, and then what we had did, we had installed an Ansible master and the master server, right? And
Hmm.
these two servers are two slave servers. So what we had did, we had configured in /etc Ansible and their host file. We had actually put three servers here, IP address of those three servers, right? So
Yeah.
and after that, what we had did Ansible one Adhoc command we had used -m ping all. So what it will do, it will go and ping all the servers, whether all the servers are successfully available or not. Okay.
Okay.
So now, what exactly here? Why we need an Ansible Adhoc commands, right? That is one thing. So that's nice. So we will not have any disturbance. Yeah. So why actually we need an Ansible Adhoc commands? We need an Ansible Adhoc commands to perform a single step of tasks. Like suppose, for example, if you want to check whether your a particular software is there or not on the servers, or whether all the services are running out there on the server or not. So suppose, for example, if you want to go and if you want to check whether sudo systemctl, whether particular service is working or not, if you want to check that, so how you will get? For that, what you can do, we can use an Adhoc commands. Adhoc commands are basically used for single line terminal commands, I can say. So sudo apt update, how you will write like this, right? Sudo apt update. I think I'm getting the sound from your end. Can you check that? Because whatever I'm speaking, I'm getting that echo. Yeah, Rajesh, are you there?
I mute that now. Now I mute because of the fan, I think, fan sound.
Okay, so sudo apt update. If you do that, so what it will do? It will do just a patches update, whatever, right? So if you want to actually upgrade the systems, so the same thing. What you will do? Sudo apt upgrade. So this what it will do? It will upgrade the new versions of the particular software or dependencies, whatever you have.
Okay,
Now,
okay.
if you want to do this a single line command, like a single task, only one task, that's it. If you don't want to do any other multiple tasks at the same time, if you want to complete a single task at a time, then you will go for Adhoc commands. Basically, in production environment, we will not use, but you should know about that, how actually Adhoc commands will work. Okay. So
Okay.
Adhoc commands structure. First of all, how an Adhoc command structure will be there. First of all, Ansible. Okay. Then here you will put host. Host means where it should go. Host. Then -m. Then module name. Then arguments. So what it's actually do, it will do
Yeah.
whatever the commands you want to do. So this is actually a syntax for the Adhoc commands. So host can be anything like all or different group of hosts or a group of host. That is a host, okay? And then module means which module you want to use based on the distribution. Or there are plenty of modules in Ansible, okay? If you have time, you can go ahead and look into the what are the different available modules that are there, like add
The
module.
host means like it's a host inventory, right? This is or just a host name only. Yeah.
Yeah, it will take host inventory only. By
Oh.
default, wherever you're mentioning host, which will be
Okay.
there on the /etc Ansible and the host file will be there, right? It will be
Hmm.
taken from there only by default. Okay.
Okay.
You can actually configure your inventory files, your host files, and you can restrict your Ansible where from which folder it needs to be work. You can have multiple environments in the same server. Okay. In the same directory,
Hmm.
you can have three types of Ansible scripts and Ansible inventory files, all those things. So once we get into the deeper, you'll get to know all those things.
Okay. Here
Okay.
module name means what module name actually? It is a command module or it's a or I'm not sure about that. What's the module name?
It depends on which module you want to use. Like if you are using app module, app is a module, right? See, there are
Okay.
plenty of modules which are there on the Ansible. So if I
Okay.
go for an Ansible module,
Okay.
so Ansible modules are it's very high. There are so many modules out there.
Okay.
So whatever the module, based on your requirement, you will go and pick up that module. Okay. There are all modules, cloud modules, clustering modules, crypto modules, database modules. So
Okay.
if I go the all modules, see this this list is quite big. Here, these many modules you have. So based on your requirement, okay. Suppose for example you want to set up an Ubuntu server. So what module you will use?
Okay.
So this is actually a syntax, right? Suppose for example I want to update patches on the each server. Like sudo apt update, I want to run on the both two servers. Okay.
Okay.
So what I do? First of all, here you can have the syntaxes, right? Ansible, host, and then modules and arguments like that. So how actually you will write your Adhoc command? Ansible,
Hmm.
here host will be all or individual host. Okay. Hyphen
Okay.
m.
Okay.
Here you will say
If
module name.
APT, yeah.
Then here you will say hyphen a.
Okay.
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 There is
Update.
one update hyphen cache. This is the thing which you wanted to provide. Update cache is equals to the sudo apt update. Okay. Update cache equals to sudo.
What
So
is this
argument
update?
sudo apt update means update cache is the one keyword which will update the particular cache on the server.
Okay.
Okay. So here hyphen b you need to use hyphen b. Yeah. Or else
Me.
hyphen become. Become means you become a root user because you know about the permission issues, right, on the Linux systems. So,
Okay.
for suppose for example, if you are a Ubuntu user, you might not
Okay.
have all the privileges as root will have, right? So that time what
Okay.
you use sudo. You remember
Okay.
that? You understand it?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Most,
I know, I know. Mm.
yeah. So for that you will say become. So if I say enter,
Is it same for CentOS and RHL also? Because mostly we are using
yeah,
RHL and CentOS.
what you need to do there, instead of app you need to put yum. See here it is updated the cache. See, update cache is the common mode for Linux, okay? But
Okay.
instead of app is the package manager, right? So this is
Yeah, yeah.
app,
APT is a package manager for Ubuntu.
yeah. So that is one module in the Ansible.
Okay.
Understood?
Okay. Where can I get this module? How to see this module in the server?
I didn't get you.
No, you just now mentioned modules, right? Where can I get this list of modules? What are the modules available in the server?
So there are multiple ways. Like suppose, for example, if you want to go, you can go for Ansible documentation, first one,
Okay.
or I think you have Ansible hyphen help, Ansible or man Ansible. See, if you want whatever you want, you can get here. It's
No, no, no.
and
I want to see the module actually.
what app module.
Yeah, APT, like lot of modules are there, right? Like core modules in Ansible, and suppose if the module is not there, how to get those modules?
So how you want to know about that module, right?
Yeah, yeah, correct. Where can I go and see the module in the server?
Okay. Let me for that Ansible module list, I think Ansible hyphen So here it's showing that actually I will go actually in my thing what I will go and search here, but in root I'm not in this, but I'll let you know that.
Because this is one of the interview question they asked me, where you go and search in a module list, and if module is not there in the server, from where you
Uh,
get those modules, and then to get it done like that. One of the interview they asked.
so hyphen M or module name like this. Can you repeat me one more
This
time? If
is new.
module is not there means what
Where
module is
where
not
to check the modules? Yeah, where to check the modules? All the modules. In which path the module is there?
there? CD slash var link Ansible. So for that, intelligently what I will do slash etc Ansible Ansible.ch. So
Okay.
here libraries will be there. ESR shared lab modules. This is the modules, okay? So
Okay.
and then if you want to module utils, what is there? The ESR share my module. So these are the
Okay.
default directory paths which are there for Ansible. Okay. So if I
Okay.
go there, CD Ansible, right? Here actually you will have a different. It's ESR share only, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How about in Warlib? Warlib you went right previously. Warlib.
So that is for MySQL like the data directories we have.
Okay.
Ansible. Libraries will be shared by modules, but my modules will be if you explicitly install, it will be there. By default, it will take from there. And, I'll let you know that about that. Okay.
Ah, sure, sure, no problem.
Yeah. So let us continue this. I know I do have this one thing, like if I don't know, if, if I have a doubt, I should reply. I should, okay, we are running out of the time. Okay, no
Okay,
worries.
okay.
So basically, you understand what is the exact syntax, right, for that particular Ansible, like Ansible
Yes.
Adhoc commands. First will be Ansible and then inventory file name. Suppose, for example, there is one small example I will show you again. So here I'm going to create touch, okay, test.txt. Okay. In my master, I have created one test.txt. Okay.
Okay.
I want to copy this file from here to my slaves. That could be one of the tasks. You can have
Okay.
some files to be copied from one source to destination. That could be one of the
Yes, yes.
tasks, right?
Yeah.
So,
Source SRC and dist. Yeah.
Ansible minus M. Here I will say all. All means you need to specify where the actually it should copy. All means as of now I'm taking all. When we are working on the inventory tomorrow, I'm going to explain you about the inventories. So static
Okay.
inventory, like how we can actually ping based on the groups or web servers, like different groups we can have. Okay, how we are going to do
Okay.
that?
Okay.
All
So
those
this all where it will go and take this all
all means
Ansible life and
that
all.
is host. See, by default, what Ansible will go slash etc host. That is the by
Okay.
default
Okay.
path. It will go
Okay.
and
Okay.
it will take whatever the IP addresses which are mentioned in that particular host file. It will go and pick up and it will go and check all those servers and it will complete the task. But
Okay. Okay.
we don't want to use that in real time scenario. We will not use that slash etc Ansible host file because
Okay.
if you have a different production environments, if you have a different environments like staging, dev, QA like that, you can't use the same
Mm.
file, right? Or else you can
Mm.
have a multiple configuration files. You should change
Okay.
all those. That I will explain you. We can have our own isolated code for each and every. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So now what I'm going to use another module called copy. Okay. What copy will
Okay.
do? Copy will actually copy from our source to destination. So minus a means argument. Here you need to say src. Src means what? Src means source. Source will be you can say slash home.
So
Yeah, the complete path you can give, or else you can give like this symbol, one symbol. Okay. Dot test.txt, and then what you need to do? You need to prepare for test.
just yeah.
Test means destination. Destination is, so I will say slash home Ubuntu. Okay. So if you want, you
Okay.
can give mode, and if you want, you can give the user everything. So mode, I will say 777, and then I will say hyphen com. See, it got changed now. So owner and mode will be the root and whatever. So let us check whether it has actually copied or not. Right? ls.
Okay.
See, my test.txt is there in the slave 1 server and slave 2 server. Got it?
Under right under temp right TMP.
No, home Ubuntu,
Okay.
right? We had whatever the path we had given. Which path we had given?
Okay.
Home
Home
Ubuntu.
home Ubuntu. Yeah.
So if you say pwd, see, understood?
I think it will be better if I know in CentOS or in RHEL.
CentOS for that we need to pay. So because if you have that, if you give me that, I will do that. See,
Oh.
Anything is the same, but you just need to say for CentOS what you will use, which command you will use to update the cache, yum, right?
Mm, mm.
But see, these all things will work in every Linux distribution the same way. There is no change
Okay.
at all. Okay,
Okay.
like
Okay.
copy means it is copy only. It is for Ubuntu same, Red Hat same, or CentOS it is same only for everything. But when you are
Okay.
going to install any packages, when you are going to configure any packages, that time the modules will change. Whenever any package manager came to existence in the particular task, that time the difference will come. Like for CentOS, you need to use yum. For Ubuntu, you need to as app like that. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
And the same way, if you want to remove the file from there, suppose for example you don't want the file, right? So
Okay.
you had the file. This file is there on the here. Here it is there in home pwd slave 1 and slave 2, right? So if
Yeah.
you want, to remove the file, so these are the basic commands. You just need to know, okay, what are there is a one concept called add commands, which is a single line or single task commands we can do. So if you ask me
Okay.
what is the exact command, if you want to perform a single task at a time, so then you can go for add command. So my task
Okay.
is as of now to remove a file on the server, right? So for that,
Yeah.
Ansible minus m
Nice.
minus all minus m. Here the thing is file module. There is one module called file, and let you know how you will get the module on the terminal only. So then here, what I will say, I'll say test.
File is a module, right? File module, right? File is a
File
module
is
name.
the module.
File.
See, after m,
Oh.
whatever I'm specifying, those are the modules. Okay, test
Okay.
equals. I will say test.txt, right? This is the file
Hmm.
name, and then I will say state equals to absent. That's it. If you want to remove the file, what you will say, you will use rm file name, right?
RF. Yeah.
rm rf whatever. So then, if you want to remove from the Ansible, if you want to remove from the task Ansible task, so you need to write like this. So minus a left equals to test.txt state equals to absent. Then what it will do, will actually go and remove those files on that particular destination. And
Okay. B for what?
become
Hyphen B.
B for become
Become. Become.
hyphen
Oh.
become like this.
Oh. Okay. 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 Okay.
The same
Okay.
thing. It
Okay. I
see.
have a doubt here. When you're giving Ansible if an all right, can you go to etc Ansible host?
Okay.
So etc and here only you said it's fetching, right? Okay. Here. Oh. Okay. Other all it's not enabled. Okay. 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 Only these three only enabled. Okay.
Got it.
Okay, because whatever here in the inventory file it will take, right? That's what it says. All means
No.
all the host, whatever in this
I
etc
comment on
Ansible
this.
host.
If I
Okay, yeah, that's
comment
what I want.
now,
Yeah.
it should run on only two servers. It should not give me three servers. See, understood? If I comment out another one more thing, it will run on only one server.
Okay. But sometimes we used to create a file, right? Like a host server A, something like that. Host will place in the file, right?
I you know all
Uh,
those things. That is called groups in the inventory file. Okay,
in
because
Playbooks. So,
suppose for example, you have multiple environments and you have multiple
mm,
types of servers like DB servers, web servers, application
mm,
servers, like that.
mm.
So what you will do, you will create a different types of groups.
Okay, no,
Suppose
no, what they're using, right? What they're using is suppose, right? I have a patching schedule for some dates. For example, I'll I'm having like a 20 June 23rd, June 26th, June 28th, right? What our people used to do is they're creating a file, one inventory file in the home directory, and then for 23 the server need to patch 25 this up. So they're just calling the 23 and then but they did not mention anything on Ansible host. Actually, I never see something like that. They're just creating an inventory file in their home directory. They're just executing that file name actually. So I want to know the difference.
See. What they are doing, they are not using the inventory file like this, right? You are saying that is what your
Yeah,
question, right?
yeah.
Because you that is what I'm saying, right? In production, you will not use this host file. Okay,
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
why you will use this? Because it is not up to the because everything you can't configure here, right? Based on the see, you can create your own directory, or there you can create your own inventory file, and from there you can create your own tasks, whichever you want. That is how
Yeah,
Ansible
correct.
can.
Yeah.
So please be a little bit patient. So when you get the time, you will get to know all the things. Okay,
Okay, okay. Fine.
I'll teach you that. Yeah, that enthusiasm I can understand, but yeah, because we should go step by step. Otherwise, you can't understand all those things.
Okay,
So
okay,
now
okay, okay, fine.
now so this is the copy module. Now what we will do, we will install a particular what I can say, we will install a Nginx server, Nginx web server. You heard about the Nginx server? Did you know that?
Yeah, web server actually. Nginx is a web server.
Sudo systemctl
Status
status
HTTP Nginx.
because Nginx is not there, so that's why it is saying otherwise Nginx. So Nginx server could not be found, right? So
Yeah.
now what I'm going to do, I'm going to install, this is a single task, one task. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to install an Nginx on my Ubuntu slave servers. Like how?
Okay.
Ansible, all,
Ansible all -m space apt hyphen a
okay?
space here I need to do that what is that sudo apt update no no install nginx.
No, it won't work like that. Okay. So
Okay.
we provide name equals to Nginx and then
Or
state
name.
equals latest. So what it will do, it will actually install an Nginx on my name means application name, okay,
Oh,
and then state equals to latest. So
okay.
these keywords where you will get to know when you are writing a playbooks why you need to use all those things. I will explain you that. But as of now, app, what is the name? Name is Nginx and state, which state, like which version you want to use. You want to use latest, so you can put
Okay.
latest or present, like that you can put, okay. Then
Okay. Okay.
if I enter now,
So these are all command module, right?
like you're saying
No, these are all command module, correct?
terminal, like on terminal you are doing, you're saying that.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Command module, right? These modules
Yes.
called as. Okay.
Yeah, if I see the status now, see,
Wow. Yeah.
understood. So now
Yeah.
I want to stop the service. I don't want this service should stop. So if you want to stop the service, what you will do, there is two types of ways. One is sudo service stop
Service stops Nginx.
Nginx. So what it will do, service
Sorry,
only, right?
system stop Nginx. System CTL stop Nginx.
Nginx stop.
But system CTL also will work, right?
Both will work. You can do
Okay.
any
Okay.
one. If you want to stop, you can stop like this, right? If you stop
Okay.
and if
Okay.
you status, it is loaded, right? If you want to restart again, what you will do? You will do restart or
Restart.
reload.
Hmm.
To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the 3D99 plan and grow your skills immensely.
Reload or restart. Reload is not found and restart. So now what will happen? Your thing is again running status. See, if you want to do with the Ansible, how you are going to do that? Okay. So for that, I will tell you the proper way. So I will go here. I will first select for Ansible service module. There is one module called service. Okay.
Okay.
In Ansible, if you click that, you will get all the details about the service module. Service module is to manage the different types of services. Okay. In that, you have different states like reloaded, restarted, stop, started, like that. So how you are going to use? You can have plenty of examples like this. So this is how you can write your playbooks. If you want to use that in a command, how you can use that? Ansible, say, can you tell
Ansible.
me?
Yeah, sure. Ansible all -m
Okay. Yes.
-m. Here we have to use service module, right? Service,
Yes.
correct?
Perfect. Please. Then
And then
minus
A.
then
Here we have to use state equal to name.
name.
Sorry, name equal to Nginx. Uh, State equal to
So
stopped.
if you have this down,
Stopped.
so what state I can use? No, stop. You need
Stops
to use
to. Yeah.
stop. Okay.
Yeah.
So what it will do? It will stop the particular service on the server. So I will say
Okay.
stop. I will say
Stop.
hyphen B.
Hyphen become hyphen B. Okay. Why it's throwing so many errors actually?
It's not
Like
error.
no, sorry, not error. Sorry, throwing so many outputs.
State, because from command line you are showing, right? You are checking all these things, right? So now
Oh.
what it is doing, actually it is stop, and then status is what exactly happened, because for one server it will show, but three servers it is showing, right? So that's why it will show that. So you had asked about the facts also, right? So these are all the
Facts.
also facts, gather facts. You had asked, right? These are also
Yeah.
facts which you want to use in your playbooks, or if you want to use as any variable, you can use all those things. So now if I go and see the status, see now here sudo systemctl status Nginx. See,
Nginx.
it's reloaded. If you want to just
Yeah.
restart, what you need to use? You just need to,
Just status. Just restart.
that's it. This is how much simple. Restart,
Restarted.
start,
Third.
I think
Yeah.
start,
No. Double T.
right?
Just remove one T.
So if I come and if I see
Okay.
match, right?
Yeah.
See, it's running. So in this way, you can even control your installed packages on your slave servers. If you want, you can install. If you want, you can remove. If you want, you can stop. You can restart. Same thing. If you want to remove the packages, what you need to do? You just need to put here, instead of started, you need to say apt here. Okay. And if you want to remove the package,
Okay.
apt, and the name,
Okay.
state, and absent.
Absent. Oh, remove means absent. Okay. Delete.
The files are for the directories, whatever, you just need to remove the absent. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the
Okay.
way you can control your task, single line task, with the different commands. So
Okay.
whenever you have a time, so this is not that much important topic, but yeah, you should know about this, right? So
Yeah, definitely.
go and have some, you have some documentation on Ansible or any other blogs also. I will share you the if the blogs needed. So go
Okay.
and check what are the different types of Ansible ad hoc commands we have. So we can, everything we can do using the ad hoc commands, but there are some disadvantages. I'll let you know what are other disadvantages when you're using ad hoc commands. Suppose, for example, if you want to perform 3 tasks at a time in a single time, you can't even sit and write 3 tasks in the command terminal, right?
Yeah.
Suppose, for example, if you want to execute 100 tasks, you can't sit and write that 100 tasks on the terminal, right?
Yes.
So that time, what we will use playbooks. So in playbooks, so why we will use playbooks, and after that, why we will go for roles, and what are the advantages, what is the exact need of the roles, all these things, step by step we will go. But today, as time has exceeded already, so I had told them to take the class. I had already 3 minutes late for them.
Please enroll our general membership for $3.99 plan to get access of all the parts.
Along with that, you can access our other tutorials such as Docker, Ansible, Jenkins, Terraform, Splunk, AWS, Azure, and various other DevOps related premium tutorials with our channel membership. If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopsschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the $3.99 plan and grow your skills immensely. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.